Now that we have finished with the gutter, now we are going to add the pipes. Okay, to add the pipes, I will use the system tab in order to access the pipes. I'll go I go to systems and then go to pipes, and I will switch. I will choose the pipe diameter. I can choose between 6.5 or, but this time I will choose 80 millimeters, and then I will go to edit type. I will go to routing and preferences. I will go to edit. I will match the pipe segment with the elbow. I will also choose 15 by 600 millimeters. But the problem here is that we do not really have an elbow loaded inside. So we will need to load one. We'll click OK, and we will then go to insert, and we go to load libraries and go to metric, and I go to US and go to pipes, and I'll go to fittings, and I'll go to generic, and I'll choose elbow generic here, that one. That is great. Okay, now I will go back to systems, and go to pipe and go to edit type, and then go to routing preferences. I will choose, I will match the diameters, and I will also go to the elbow and choose that one we come to load, and we will click OK, and then I will apply. I can even click OK, there is no problem. This time I can start to sketch the pipe. Okay, the best way to do that is to go to maybe the south elevation, and we will be able to sketch one. Okay, I will start from here. I go back to systems and then pipe, and then I can start to draw this one. I guess it's not visible, and that is because this is the visibility. We are going to change the visibility to something like fine, and go to pipe once again, and yes, now we can see that it's visible. Now what we are going to do, we draw the first segment, and we are going to make it a little bit closer to the wall. All right, let us see what we have done in the 3D. Yeah, the problem is that the pipe is not in the correct position. What we can do is to move it. All right, maybe I will use the east elevation to kind of draw that one. Yes, we'll go to fine, and I will select everything here, and then I will move it to the desired position. I will put it somewhere closer to the wall here, and that's actually it. Okay, let's go back to 3D to see what we have done. You can see that this is correct here. Okay, all right, so we can maybe duplicate this one. I will go to maybe to the east elevation again, and I'll pick this one to duplicate it. I'll copy that and pick this edge, and then I will duplicate it to somewhere here near the entrance, something like that. Let me maybe put it somewhere here, or I can even, yeah, that's perfect. I can maybe be positioned here or somewhere here. it has some conflicts with the door, but I guess it's not a very big problem. Alright, let's go back to 3D and see what we have done. I think this is perfect. Yes, it's but I think there is a little bit of mistake here. I think I will have to move it a little bit up to the side of the gutter. Yes, okay, that's actually it. All right. Okay, now I'm going to continue to add the remaining pipes on the other side of the roof, and then after we'll add one more gutter and pipe on this side of the store, and another pipe and the gutter on this upper side of the kitchen. Now, to add the pipes on the other side of the roof, I will first of all select this one, and I will right click to select all the instances in this particular view, and but remember that the elbows are not selected, so I am going to control select to add the elbows. Okay, I don't really know what is the problem with this, but this elbow is to be added. Okay, great, it's already added, and I will continue with this one. It's a little bit trickier here to add these elbows, really trickier, but I have got it now. All right, and I'll go here to the top, here, and I will mirror using this edge of the roof. That's it. I'll go to the 3D again and see what I have done here. That's correct, I think. Yes, I think they are in the correct positions. That's all right. Okay, but I think this one needs to be changed somehow. This one, I do not know if I'm going to keep it like that. First of all, that's not what I'm thinking. I think this one can be rotated a little bit so that it can so this one I will delete it, this one, and I will place another one because this one is not in the correct position. Let me delete all of it, and yeah, that's great. I will use a wireframe to kind of see what's in this inside here. These yeah, that's it. I'll bring back to shaded. Okay, now I will take this one. I will go maybe to this particular section. I think I can place another one here. That is another one like this, and it's going to maybe project somewhere here, something like that. I think it will be much more easier than just so I will go to this one. Okay, let us add the gutter on this edge again. To add that, we are going to go to this gutter and we are going to select it and then right click. I go to this gutter and right click to create a similar, and I will go to the edge of the fascia and I will place a gutter here. No, I think this is a mistake. Okay, I will go to the gutter. What is the gutter? This is the gutter, and I will right click, create similar, then I will go to the face of this fascia and you can see it looks like that first. Okay, and now to create the end cap, I'm going to select this end cap or type of gutter, right click, create similar, and I will place it on that particular edge of the gutter. That's it, and I will then select it. I will select it, select that one, and I will stretch it back to have 100 millimeters. Okay, right, that's it. Okay, this is the one we want. I think we need to also place another one, but this one is not really needed. It's needed because we don't have the, yes, that closer. I will go to this again, right click, create similar, and I will go again to this edge and I will create another one. Cancel twice. I will select this one and I will stretch it back again to have 100 millimeters. Okay, go closer and stop when we reach 100 millimeters. That's how we draw this one. Okay, for that particular gutter, I'm done with it. Now I'm going to create another one on the other edge. This is the gutter. I'm going to right click, create similar, then I will go to this edge of the soffit. I will place that one, then I will go back to the end cap and I will create similar, then I will go to this particular edge of the gutter and I will place that one, select, and then reduce the length until it will reach 100 millimeters. Go closer to see what we are doing. 100 millimeters, that's fine. I right click, create similar, I create another one like this, and then I will select it and I will stretch it back to the other edge, and that's actually it. Okay, let me stretch it at 100 millimeters. That's is that okay? No, that's not okay. I want 100 millimeters of thickness, not yes, that's actually it. Okay, we're now done with